everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. I'm Nivedita Singh. As you already know that I'm a fashion travel and lifestyle blogger.
Hello people, I hope you all are fine. So in today's vlog, I have recreated the style of Adeline Castellino, who represented India at Miss Universe 2020 pageant. I was so inspired by her look in the national costume round, and also I was so happy and excited. I will tell you why. Because the sari that she was wearing resembles my reception sari. And जब मैंने उसको रिसेप्शन डे पे पहना था सो आई थॉट कि आई वोंट बी एबल टू वेयर द साड़ी अगेन बिकॉज इट वॉज टू हैवी बट आफ्टर वॉचिंग हर पिक I thought of sharing my sari look with you all. So here I am in the same sari. So talking about this sari, I brought this sari from Meena Bazaar, Delhi. It's a bright pink color sari. Actually, the pink color is the base in the sari with green and golden zari work all over the sari. So the transition between the pink, green and golden is what makes this sari a good to go for, especially for wedding purpose and all. With timeless designs all over and the border is beautifully carved with gota and sequins on it. The beautiful border, zari work on the sari, plain blouse, all complement each other seamlessly. And red dupatta on the sari is giving it a win-win look.
Should countries lock down due to COVID-19 despite the strain on their economies, or should they open their borders and risk a potential increase in infection rates?
Good evening, universe. Well, coming from India and witnessing what India is experiencing right now, I have realized that nothing is more important than the health of your loved ones. And you have to maintain the balance between the economy and the health. That can only be done when the government works with the people hand in hand and produces something with the economy. Thank you.
So that's all guys. Hope you like my look. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.